Like any program, Lego Digital Designer takes a little practice. I'd like to show you how to use some of the basic moves in Lego Digital Designer. The first thing you need to know is that this is 3D, so you can turn your model and creation around, see it from the top or the bottom. You can zoom in or zoom out. It just takes a little practice to know how to do that. The first thing I'd like to show you is how you move your base. If you notice up here, I'm highlighting the up arrow. And if I do that, it moves the base to it flattens the base a bit more. I can move it back so I can kind of see what I'm doing. I can move it around 180 degrees so I can see the back. If I go back down here, I can restore it to its original size. I can make it smaller and I can make it bigger so you can see the detail. Once you're able to navigate through that, you'll be able to see your model from lots of different angles. Okay, now let's talk about how to get bricks on your model. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more because it's easier to lay bricks when you're really close. Right now I'm going to maximize the file that has all these regular classic Lego pieces. And I'm going to scroll down until I see one that looks kind of interesting. Kind of like that orange. So what I do is I right click on it and the brick shows up. Now, I'm not clicking on anything, I'm just moving the mouse, and I can use the mouse or I can use arrows to flip it. Lots of different directions. Right now I use the up arrow. The side arrow moves it from side to side, and the down arrow is just like the up arrow that flips it around. I'm going to put it right here, and now the brick is moved. Let's say I want to get rid of that brick. Notice that there is pink highlighting around it when I hover over it. If I click on it, it turns blue, meaning that it's ready to be used. And at that point, I can delete it by using the delete tool at the top. Okay, let's put that orange brick back down and put another yellow brick back down and maybe a navy blue brick here. And at this point, I need to move it so I have it in the right position. So it does take a little bit of time to play and learn how to use the commands and the controls. Okay, now I want to take a look at this from the other side. So I'm going to just flip it around, and there you go. I can kind of look at it from the top and the bottom. By using these arrows, I can zoom out a little bit so I get a bigger idea of how it looks on the base. Like I said, you're going to have to practice, but once you use these tools, it is so much fun to build creations using the computer. Have fun, everyone.